Okay, we're going to do a wee bit of PowerPoint using something called Slide Master. So on Slide Master, we are going to open up a PowerPoint presentation and we can choose different layouts from new slide here. So I can use things like title and content, I can use title and to content, comparison boxes. It doesn't matter what ones I have in. So if I want to use Slide Master, what I want to do is I want to go to View, and I want to find this button here called Slide Master. And on Slide Master, you'll see all the different layouts of the slides down this left hand side. If I go up to the top one here, this is like the master template. So anything I do on this should change what happens on all the other layouts. So if I want to put in something like an action button, so this is a really common question at National 5 Admin, I'm going to go into Insert and then go into Shapes and choose an action button for going to the next slide. If I draw one of these out, you'll see anything I do on this master template, it affects all the other templates. On some slide designs, it doesn't quite work like that. So I may have to go in and change some of these details. When I go off of my master view, you'll see that this action button is now on all the slides. You can't move it from here. You can't delete it, you can't change it. So to be able to change it, you need to go back into your slide master, go up to your master slide, and then you can remove it from here if you've maybe made a mistake or you've been asked to delete it in a question. I'll just stop.